to come and entertain along with myself, along with all of my dancers who keep the vibes flowing. Yeah. Elder 1, soursop, Elder 2, breadfruit, and Elder 3, jackfruit. Yeah. Those are the 3 elders. I and I'm on a mango. See, never keep going, you know? Yeah. So TikTok and Facebook, tap up the screen, share the live. Entertainment is joy, and joy is wisdom. Yeah. So tonight, we know we see the first part of the guys to come out and move ways. You see me? Yeah. So what's up? Say you want a young girl. So any young girl can come challenge so what's up. You see, you full of maca still in, but you can grow on him. Yeah. That's brother so what's up. Brother breadfruit in the felt. Yeah. I know so when breadfruit ripe it's sweet. So young girl come out to breadfruit set speed. Brother jackfruit on the back there. You full of seed. Heavy bad. When we say heavy, real heavy, because when jackfruit ripe it's heavy, you know. Whole heap of juice and whole heap of seed in a jackfruit. So brother jackfruit, I know you have it locked already, you know. I'm more you train. And I know say brother so what's up a veteran. You know? I and I'm on a brother mango, I always run at the corner, you know. So big up on yourself, TikTok, Facebook. Yeah. I wanna watch you one seat, because one seat powerful. You hear what name? Man go. Yeah. So we ever going. Big up to the nice and decent sexy lady that live down the road. She said she's gonna have the bar opening. And I want every one of us to go down there and leave a bottle of water. We can support her and make you feel her strength like she's a part of the community of Prospect. Big up on yourself again, platform. 2 sides. TikTok, Facebook. TikTok boss. How am there? I don't even know if in the boy, but everything is alright. Big up on yourself, people. Full joy on yourself to the highest extreme. Rastafari. Raymond, back to you. Let it go selector.
Alright, you don't know original brother mango, you don't know anything about brother jackfruit, brother soursop. It's supposed to pass 80 and 70.
How do you run? How do you run? How do you generate the white run? Why do you run? I'm going to take it back.
I want to say something about it. Jesus Christ.
I'm going to not to know. One at a time, we don't fancy. Not to do that, guys. But some life runs. Why go night edition? Why go night for the young baby tonight? I go to the family last night. Oh Lord, how do you go?
Now check out the Google tree then.
But kiss me ratchet. Then Miss Amiadis. And then what if something the boy over there do? Take the wire back. Kiss me ratchet. But Miss Amiadis. Miss Amiadis. Something over there take me Miss Amiadis. Me ratchet. Me ratchet. You know, so a young girl boy placing. Seems like she done. What's your name again?
I don't know. Because long time she have your for you. She tell me say she love you bad, but she afraid to tell you. So if you call her, in one at a time, you sure say you go have her.
Lord God, nobody set the wrong goat type on me. Nobody set the wrong goat. Here we go on. Never find her. I'm going to dance with her, here.
Oh,
Let you say she'll get there as you go out there. How can you hear?
A long time you tell us I get hold of. So get away with him still.
alright, and let's respect to the young man who walk on the swear. Because when you kick him when you don't go on with anybody, then your foot get kicked broke.
Hold on. The big bad dancer they will tell you when you chat about. Boy, I'm mash him up tonight. He run gun. Oh, you see me face I run gun. Oh, he's suiting well.
Alright, so you see the elders they come out and they might enjoy themselves, see? So you don't know the thing. Alright, so remember me telling you say, look from now I want for prizes and surprises. See? So don't worry yourself for Teen Nation. A 1 week special we are dealing with it. Yeah. So DJ Romel. Him a black camera, Chatbout and nothing like you want to say. How this again? I went through this. So what's up? Come, so what's up? Come. So what's up on Chatbout and go. Must get one, stay right us up. Stay right us up. Stay behind the fence. Come. Yeah.
Me know the female. You want to run away out. Me know the female. Alright? Me know the female.
Alright, so let us go and play some song. And look more, we make the contest go on. See, so DJ Romel, press me again. Why do the white? Why do the white pop on the ear? Alright.